Hey guys, I'm Vaibhav. I'm going to compare the Asus Vivobook S510 with the MacBook Pro 2017 since it is preferred by many popular YouTubers and their ergonomics and style are similar. Let's start with the processing power. The MacBook has a Kaby Lake Intel 7700HQ processor while the Asus Vivobook has an Intel 8550U processor, which is a newer architecture, has 2 MB more cache memory and consumes less power. This means that the Vivobook performs about the same as the MacBook Pro but has a longer battery life. On the graphics side, the MacBook has an ATI Radeon Pro 560 graphics card while the Vivobook has an NVIDIA MX150 graphics card. While the MX150 is not as powerful as a graphics card as a MacBook, it is no slouch either. MX150 is the equivalent of a NVIDIA 1030 desktop class graphics card, which can handle full HD gaming easily. The combination of a powerful CPU and graphics card ensures that the timeline scrolling and exporting while editing videos is very fast on the Vivobook. This makes it a perfect laptop for YouTubers. Another glaring omission on the part of the MacBook is the availability of ports. The MacBook has just 4 Lightning ports, but all the modern cameras have USB ports and store photos and videos on SD cards. So, if you are a YouTuber and own a MacBook, you will always have to carry adapters which you have to buy. On the other hand, the Asus Vivobook has all the ports. It has 2 USB 2 ports, 1 USB 3 port, 1 USB Type-C port, a full HDMI port, a SD card slot, and even a headphone jack. As a YouTuber, the Asus Vivobook makes more sense. Take the SD card out of the camera, put it in the laptop, and copy stuff. Simple as that. Coming to the display. The MacBook has a higher resolution, but the display is glossy. On the other hand, the Vivobook has a full HD matte finish display and with very thin bezels. The display is perfect for editing videos in bright sunny areas or even dark areas without causing eye fatigue due to glare. This is something which all the YouTubers will appreciate. This brings us to something which is not at all possible with the MacBook: upgradability. The memory and storage are soldered on the motherboard of the MacBook, making upgrades impossible after purchase. While on the Vivobook, RAM can easily be upgraded to 32GB and the hard disk and SSD can also be upgraded to larger capacities after purchase. With all the features, the Asus Vivobook S510 is still just 80,000 rupees, while the MacBook Pro costs above 1,80,000. Being feature-rich and affordable, it is a perfect starting point for budding YouTubers and entrepreneurs. So friends, this was a short comparison between the MacBook Pro and the Asus Vivobook S510. I hope you have liked the comparison. I am a photographer by hobby and I take lots of time lapses and hyperlapses. I also like to make tech videos. As a budding YouTuber, the Asus Vivobook will help me immensely in photography and editing videos on the go. A special shout out to Asus India and Mumbiker Nikhil for organizing this giveaway. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tech videos. Thank you.